What's up, future toppers? Your chemistry exam is right around the corner, and you are in the perfect place for that last-minute score boost. We are about to absolutely conquer the most important, high-scoring concepts in under 5 minutes. Let's do this. Let's get those full marks. Okay, here's our mission briefing. We're going to tackle 5 levels to guarantee victory in your exam. Solid state, solutions, chemical kinetics, electrochemistry, and then some killer final hacks. Are you ready? Let's dive right in. All right, level 1, solid state. Now, this chapter is all about memorizing just a few key numbers that pop up again and again. You lock these in and you've got yourself some guaranteed marks. Let's start with the first one. Boom, packing efficiency. Simple cubic is 52.4%, body-centered is 68%, and face-centered is a whopping 74%. So what's the key takeaway here? FCC is the most efficient. This is a favorite exam question, so screenshot this slide right now. Okay, so efficiency is one thing, but how many atoms are actually in each unit cell? This is another classic question, and you know it, I've got the ultimate shortcut for you. Forget all those complex calculations. Just remember the 1, 2, 4 rule. It's 1 atom for simple cubic, 2 for body-centered, and 4 for face-centered. It is that simple. 1, 2, 4. Got it? Awesome. And here's another pro tip for you, this time for voids. It's the 2 to 1 rule. For every n atoms, you get 2 n tetrahedral voids and n octahedral voids. It is so easy. Don't you dare lose marks on this one. Level 1 complete. Now let's move on to level 2, solutions. I like to call this the numerical jackpot chapter, because if you know the formulas, the marks are pretty much yours for the taking. Get ready for our first formula flash. The elevation in boiling point, delta TB equals KB times M, where M is molality. This formula is your key to solving colligative properties questions. Get ready to screenshot this in 3, 2, 1, done. Let's keep that energy high as we move into level 3, chemical kinetics. We're going to focus on the most asked formulas from first-order reactions. This is where you score big, so pay attention. And it's time for another formula flash, the integrated rate law for a first-order reaction. Trust me, this is the key to almost every single numerical problem in this entire chapter. Screenshot it right now. And here's its partner in crime, the half-life formula for a first-order reaction. Seriously, this is one of the easiest questions you can possibly get. Just plug in the numbers and get those free marks. Screenshot this and let's keep moving. Level up. We are at level 4, electrochemistry. Okay, I know a lot of students get confused by oxidation and reduction, but we're about to make it crystal clear. It's time for a redox reload. You know the drill. It's a formula flash. Standard cell potential is the potential of the cathode minus the potential of the anode. Remember, it is always cathode minus anode. Go ahead and screenshot this one. But which is which? It's simple. Oxidation always happens at the anode, and reduction always happens at the cathode. But wait, how do you remember what oxidation and reduction even mean? Don't worry, I've got you covered. Here it is, the ultimate pro tip. Just remember oil rig. Oxidation is loss of electrons. Reduction is gain of electrons. Oil rig. Say it with me, oil rig. You will never, ever get this wrong again. You've made it to the final level. This is the rapid-fire round with the absolute best tips to really boost your score. Let's lock this in. So here it is, your pro tips checklist for victory. We have the 1, 2, 4 rule for unit cells, oil rig for redox reactions, and the 2 to 1 rule for voids. And the final, most important one. Please, please, please always do a unit check on your numericals. It will save you from so many silly mistakes and lost marks. And that's it. Mission accomplished. You've just armed yourself with the most powerful, high-scoring concepts and hacks in chemistry. Now go into that exam hall with total confidence. You've got this, all the very best. Before you go and absolutely crush it, I have one question for you. Which one of these pro tips is going to be your secret weapon to ace the exam? Think about it and go get those marks.